Okay, howdy, I'm back. Now we're going to, I did the artwork on this round so it doesn't look like a pie anymore. And then on this piece I'm going to put another layer and maybe do a little bit more with the water. So I'm excited about it, and I'm going to mix up some more resin, so I'll fast forward through all that really quickly. And I'm going to have my mask on and glasses and stuff like that, so I'm not going to be talking, but I will be putting a layer on here, and I'm hopefully just going to, because it has a ridge, hopefully it'll just kind of stop where that ridge is and it can kind of fill in that space for me. And kind of the same on my waves painting. The second coat will go on just the same way I did the first coat. 1-to-1 ratio. Mix for 5 or 6 minutes and mix for 5 or 6 minutes more, two times. Kind of a long process with the Famowood glaze coat resin, but it works pretty easily for me. So I'll get my gloves and put my stuff on, and I'm going to turn the mic off and get to painting with my resin. Okay, didn't go as planned as far as the waves. It's just, they're kind of just the way they are. The resin was heating up and setting up quicker this time, so I didn't really have time to play with it as much. And at least I was able to get it to go up to the edges, which is a good thing. And I really like it. It's just, you know, it's not perfect or anything, but for my first one, I'm pretty pleased with the results. And I'm just scraping off extra resin that's kind of going over the sides a bit, which I didn't really want. I should have known that I couldn't really control it. So just trying to get out any little pieces of hair or fuzz or anything that I see. I've got a dog and I shed and we all shed. And I wish I had a she shed. And while I'm finishing this up, I also wanted to give a shout out to Judy for her contribution this month to my PayPal account. I really appreciate it. As always, any donations are highly favored and loved by everybody. So the Lotus is also resined. And so I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out all the links below the video where it says show more, and I will see you on the next creation video. Fun, fun, fun. Hugs to everybody. Love you all. Bye-bye.